welcome back to Time with Taylor. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing, and I'm really excited about this one because it was kind of like a fun find. I didn't plan to find it anywhere, but I'm really glad I did. So here we have this store called Miniso, and it is based on a Japanese sort of cute kawaii store, and it has a lot of cute things like toys and skincare, everything you couldn't imagine. And I found this one amazing thing that I love so much, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So let me reveal it. It is this. This is the toy catcher. This is the toy catcher machine toy, and it's super cool. It is themed off of a claw machine. It has little balls, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. So it has two different types. One of them is pink and another one is blue. I have the blue one here, which has the pink and purple balls, and then the pink one has blue and yellow balls. I got my scissors here. Always have adult supervision when using sharp objects. It's hard to do this one-handed. This is very dangerous. Oh my gosh. And then, I'll just peel it. That was easy. And what I love about this is no plastic needed. Watch. Boop. There's no inner plastic, nothing. It's just claw machine itself. So here it is. I'm so excited to have this new thing. So this is going to look perfect on my desk. I am going to try it out just in a little bit, but I want to tell you guys one more thing. I found it here, and I don't know if they have it in the US or anywhere else. I've only seen it here where I live, and this was about $5 in US. So it is on the lower price. This is a really good, inexpensive, cute little toy. So I just want to let you guys know in case you find it in your stores and you're like, wait, how much is this again? So there you go, it's $5 in US. I don't know how much it is anywhere else. So on the top here, it has a little close and open, and it looks like, oh, you just twist it. Oh, that's so cool. And then I bet you could just place back the little balls. So, but it has little balls. They're just small plastic balls that come in two different colors. These are purple and pink. They are not capsules, which I was surprised about because they look like little capsules. That's why I wanted to show you guys. But just because they have the seam, it's not meant to be taken apart. It feels like it's been put on with industrial glue, so it's not meant to be taken apart. You just put it back on and twist. So now it's not going anywhere. Now let's look at the controls. So this is how you actually work this claw machine. I am gonna be really surprised if this actually works. So here it has left and right. Just show you guys that. Left and right, and it looks like a little lever, so I'm just gonna, what? That's so cool! So then right here it has this button, and it has a square on it. So let's see what this does. So here's the button. There you go. And oh, it looks like this is the one that goes down. Let me just move that. Oh yeah. So that's cool. It doesn't hold in place, but yeah. And then this one, what does this do? Oh, it's so cute. Let me show you. It moves the claw. So I'm assuming you would put it down and then you would move this to catch it. So I'm going to play. Oh, let me give you a last little look at it. It has like the catcher, and then it has little scene right here with like some stuff. So now I'm going to play it for the very first time. Alright, so I'm going to begin playing. So, go down. No. Let's give it a little shake. There you go. And, let's see. Oh. And then, I don't want to lift. Can I just do it like that? I did it! So here it is, my little ball. And then I can easily place it back by twisting the top and putting it back. And so I'm gonna play it a few more rounds. What? First go. Wow. I'm getting really good at this. Here's my pink ball. And place it back in there. Now let's see if I can get all of them. Well, I'm gonna try to get all of them in a few goes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So that's 5. Wait. This is 5. Then 6. Oh, let me take this off and put it right over here, so that way it's easier for me to catch it. And 6, I think. Well, 7 for goes, but I got all of them. And now I'm just gonna put them all in my hand. Boop, 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 and boop. Ah! Caught it. And then open it and place them back. Oh. Sorry, I'm covering up the view. There we go. Perfect. And I'm going to find the losers. Okay, that was super fun. I definitely recommend this toy. It is a super good concept. It feels like really high quality material. The plastic is feels really good quality. And for its price, I would definitely recommend this. It's a good little gift. I would definitely recommend this. It is such a great little toy for its price, $5. Wow, pretty good, but in US. I feel like this would be a good stocking stuffer maybe if you have a really big stocking, or like a small gift just for a reason if you love someone. This is a really cute little gift, or toy, really. I've said little toy so many times. Oh, it's just so cute and small. So I would definitely recommend this. So, like I always say, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever we post new videos. And, well, bye-bye.